Hey everybody, we're back here with Sparklerhead today. He done went and rounded up some new fireworks and we're gonna see what they're gonna do. What you got for us today, Sparklerhead? Let's see. Looks like we got us a police car, little car or camper or something. Got us a fish, another little army tank. We got us some kind of motorcycle and some kind of fireworks artillery, looks like. So we're gonna set these off and see what they look like today. We'll be right back. All right, Sparklehead, which one you want to shoot off today? Want to try a little tank? All right. All right, let's try the motorcycle. Well, so much for that one. Let's try this fish. That was a dud. Try the army tank. That was a pretty good one. Try a little car. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Well, let's try the police car. Them fireworks won't worth flip. All right, see y'all next time.